Hey everyone! Today we're making something incredibly delicious, healthy, and super easy: Swiss chard fritters. These vibrant green patties are perfect for a light meal, a tasty side, or even a fun appetizer. They're packed with flavor and goodness. For this recipe, grab a bunch of fresh Swiss chard, about 2 cups chopped. You'll also need 1 egg, a 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, a 1/4 cup of grated Parmesan cheese, and a small onion or shallot, finely minced. Don't forget a clove of garlic, minced, and a pinch of salt and pepper. First, wash and finely chop your Swiss chard. Sauté the chard, onion, and garlic in a little olive oil until the chard is wilted and tender. Squeeze out any excess water from the cooked chard to prevent soggy fritters. This step is key for crispy results. In a bowl, combine the cooled chard mixture with the egg, flour, Parmesan, salt, and pepper. Mix everything until just combined. The mixture should hold together when pressed. Heat a little oil in a pan over medium heat. Spoon small amounts of the mixture into the pan, flattening them slightly into fritter shapes. Cook for about 3 to 4 minutes per side until golden brown and crispy. Serve these amazing Swiss chard fritters warm with a dollop of Greek yogurt, a squeeze of lemon, or your favorite dipping sauce. They're a fantastic way to enjoy your greens. Give them a try and let me know what you think. Happy cooking!